Hello and welcome back to official YouTube channel First Car. I'm here to host a most amazing project for you guys. So stay tuned till the very end of this video. Also, if you are watching this channel for the first time, so do not forget to subscribe our channel as we come up with all the latest videos of properties of Mumbai. So right now I'm standing at Hiranandani Gardens, Powai. If it's Powai, it's Hiranandani. This project truly speaks of lifestyle and aspiration for status, symbol, and a place wherein you get everything that you can ever imagine. So if you enter this project, you will feel like you are really not in Mumbai, not even in India. It will give you a feeling that you are literally in Europe, because this entire project is on a theme of neoclassic architectural design. And this is literally one of its own kind. You can just see the construction, the quality. Of course, it's Hiranandani. There's no doubt about construction and the elevation of the project. So in this particular project, of course, you are getting that premium construction and the architectural finish. But apart from that, you will also be getting a lot of other things like MNCs. There are multiple MNCs like Deloitte, Colgate, TCS, and many more in the vicinity, in the campus. Then there are also different kind of schools for your kids and family members. So you have got the best to best schools inside the vicinity in a minimum kilometer of 0.5 till say about 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, right from Hiranandani Foundation CBSE school, Hiranandani Foundation ICSE school, Podar International CBSE school, IIM, and many other college options as well. Apart from school, you have also got the options like 5-star hotel. There's a Melua 5-star hotel. Then there's also Rhodes 3-star hotel inside the vicinity. Also you have got Heiko supermarket, then Hakone Entertainment Center and Hiranandani Business Park. So all this high street, restaurants, cafe, lounges, everything is right at your doorstep. Talking about the location, I know Powai hai, location explain karne ki zarurat nahi hai, but for all those buyers who does not live in Mumbai, for them, the most key locations of Mumbai like Sheeps is you can say 5 kilometer, BKC is 10 kilometer, existing international airport is 10.5 kilometer, Andheri is 11.1 kilometer. Talking about the station connectivity, Vikhroli and Kanjurmarg is around 4.5 kilometer distance. Talking about the road connectivity, JVLR is 1.4 kilometer, LBS Marg 3.4 kilometer, Eastern Express Highway 4.8 kilometer, Eastern Freeway is 12 kilometer. And as I have mentioned you the rail connectivity, just want to update you on the upcoming metro station. So the upcoming metro station will be Powai Lake, which is 2 kilometer. So this was the connectivity. You all know that being a Powai, it is the center of Mumbai, so everything is very close by. So guys, this is the last chance for you to own a house in this most luxurious township and a statement piece in the well-connected location and in the better payment plan. So do not miss this opportunity and book your site visit immediately. So let's just go inside and have a complete tour of this amazing property. So right now we are standing at Atlantis Tower and I'm here to show you a 2 BHK apartment of 762 carpet area. Exactly this is how your flat will be like. As we enter, this is your living area. The dimension of 10.6 by 20.11, that is almost like 10.6 by 21, you can say it. This is how your windows will be. यहाँ पे ये आपका एक center area आता है living area का, wherein you will keep your TV, your sofa and your family area. Then on this side you can see is a dedicated dining area properly over here. You can design it the way you want. And moving forward towards the kitchen space. So the kitchen size is 7.9 by 10.5 to be very specific. This is how your windows will be for the kitchen space, and exactly this is how your actual kitchen will be like. You know, this is how you will be provided with the modular and your basin fittings, your platforms, marble flooring, everything remains as it is. It also comes with a hob rooftop chimney gas and this gas stove and this particular refrigerator. Also apart from that, you will be offered with a microwave oven and a washing machine cum dryers. So that is also going to be there apart, including your other specific white goods that I have just mentioned. And this is how exactly it will look like. So let me show you the other side of the house. So the major highlight is the entire apartment is marble flooring. Your living, dining, passage area, your shower area, bathroom area, everything is marble flooring. It comes with a white good and a modular kitchen as we have just seen. I'm excited to show you this beautiful common bathroom area. So the bathroom size is 4.10 by 7.11. It has got to offer tiles on the floor and wall with dado up to the door height. Then there is a Corazon resident plumbing, standard sanitary fittings, water heater and exhaust fan. So this is how exactly you get it, and you also have a vanity space below your basin area. So that was your first bathroom. Moving forward towards the first bedroom of the apartment. The bedroom size is 10.1 by 10.7. It's almost a squarish shaped bedroom space, but it is quite very spacious. You can keep your wardrobe on this side. You can plan the bedroom on this particular area parallel to the window, and all the light and ventilation comes inside your bedroom space. Moving forward, I would also like to show you this particular utility area or the vanity space that you can precisely design for your walk-in wardrobe or a puja room. 5.3 by 2.1 is the size. This is how it is. 5.3, 2.1 is the depth. You can keep a floor to ceiling height wardrobe. Moving forward towards the last and the final bedroom of the house, this is your foyer space. It is very wide and spacious and comes with a niche area for your wardrobe. So this particular is a dedicated area for your wardrobe, wherein your wardrobe will just go inside the niche. And on this side is your master suite, that is your attached bathroom space. So exactly similar way it will be with the partition glass between the shower and the bath area, shower and the wash area. The size of this master bedroom is 10.7 by 11.5. 10.7 by 11.5 to be precise, and on this side, as I've shown you, it is your wardrobe space particularly, which will be 7.3 by 2.1, and on this side was your attached bathroom. So the size of the bathroom was similar to the common one. So this is how your entire master bedroom 2 BHK looks like, of 762 carpet area, offering you a very good ceiling height as well as the fittings that are being provided. Of course, it's Hiranandani, so you will have that touch inside your apartment which makes you feel premium and luxurious. So for contacting regards to the pricing, you have to call on the given number, or you can go in the description link on the link and have your pricing, brochures and the details of the project for yourself.